So the reason why I picked Langara to undergo my 3D animation program is because I heard a lot of great stories.
I try and encourage my students to explore and experiment with different materials and different media. They're really working towards learning the up-to-date technology. The purpose of this program is to get artists and animators ready to work in the field, and I think that's very different than other art programs.
It's having the skills to adapt your artwork to the needs of a client. Not just the skills, but also the language to communicate with a client or a supervisor. My classes prepare students to be able to draw at a professional level.
I could really say Langara does have amazing mentors and instructors because they're very hands-on with their students.
Seeing my classmates come together, we're all strangers, then we became friends, then helping one another, it has been totally amazing. Seeing every one of us surpass our limits.
Learning and getting to know from faculties and my teammates helped me grow within this animation program. And that helped me to understand how the industry works.
After completing the program, I've seen students go right into the animation industry at one of the many animation studios here in Vancouver.
You could do 2D animation, you could draw backgrounds for 2D animation, you could do storyboarding, which could be for a 2D or a 3D production because it's drawn first and then it goes to either 2D or 3D, so the drawing skills apply.
My advice to anyone interested in this program is to really follow your creative curiosities.
Grab all the opportunities that you have. Use all the resources that's available on the campus.
Any students who are artists at heart and want to find their place in the animation industry, I think that this program can really support them achieve their goals.